In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix sync pending in OneDrive. If your OneDrive files seem stuck and keep showing a sync pending status, don't worry. This is often a temporary issue, and one of the simplest ways to fix it is by restarting OneDrive completely. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that in a quick and easy way. To begin, look at the taskbar on your computer. This is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Find the OneDrive cloud icon there and click on it. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow that shows hidden icons first. Once you select the OneDrive cloud icon, the OneDrive panel will open, giving you access to its controls and current sync status. Next, click the settings icon inside the OneDrive panel. This is typically shown as a small gear symbol. The settings area gives you access to a number of OneDrive options, including the ability to restart or close the app. If your files have been stuck on sync pending for a while, this is the place where you can begin resetting the app without changing any of your files. From that menu, click Quit OneDrive. This will fully close the OneDrive application. Don't worry, quitting OneDrive does not delete your files or remove your account. It simply stops the app from running in the background. This can help clear temporary sync issues, especially if the app has frozen or become unresponsive. Once OneDrive has closed, the next step is to open it again from the Start menu. Click the Start button, type OneDrive, and then select the OneDrive app from the search results. This relaunches the application and gives it a fresh start. In many cases, this is enough to clear the sync pending message and allow your files to begin syncing normally again. After reopening OneDrive, give it a moment to reconnect and check your files. Depending on how many files you have and your internet connection, syncing may take a little time to fully update. If the issue was caused by a temporary app glitch, you should now see OneDrive resume syncing properly. This is one of the fastest and safest fixes to try when OneDrive gets stuck. Restarting the app can resolve minor sync problems without requiring any advanced troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get OneDrive syncing normally again.